Hey YouTube, back at you with another multi-pick video featuring the Multipick Elite Medium 27-piece Christina Palmer pick set. Multi-Lock was kind enough to send this along to me along with a 10% off discount promo code good to the end of 2023. If anybody wants to check these out on their website, I'll put links in the description. And I'm not getting any financial compensation for this. They just sent me the picks to try them out. And so far, after a couple hours of picking for just the sheer joy of picking, I really like them. And I haven't picked locks like this for fun in quite a while here. I've been locksmithing for about 9 years now. That all came from Locksport, but it kind of at some point, I guess, turned into a job. And I don't pick for fun anymore. This has been kind of a fun night. I've been at this for a couple hours here, just messing with different locks and different picks. And the handles are metal. I thought they might make my fingers sore, but they're actually finished really well. And they don't cut into your hands like HPC metal handle picks do. But anyway, this video here, we're going to see if we can't rake this guy open here. So this is a Schlage, Schlage brand lock, so it's going to have some spool pins in it, probably 4. But once we get it unlocked, we'll gut it. Okay, it actually just dropped into a false set. So with a rake here, I may not be able to get it. Let me try again here, see if we can get lucky and not get it, not drop right into a false set again. See how out of practice I am, especially picking locks in front of cameras without leashy tools, which make it, almost cheating. Yeah, we're a false set again. So, tell you what we'll do here. One nice thing, got nice organized case here. I'm going to grab a hook out of the set here. Okay, and this hook V60 is the number that's on it here, so you can search that up on the website if you want to. And the rake we're using is the V73. So I'm in a false set. I'm going to take a hook and see if I can find the spool pin and get us past it with a hook here. So basically just going through, looking for something to give us some counter rotation, and pop this guy open, and we got it here. I think that was number 3 that I hit. So now we got the lock actually picked. And now the fun part here will create some more work for me later by gutting it, and then of course I got to put it back together. But we'll do it here, and I do have a key so I can lock it back. All right, and this thing should have 4 spool pins in it. That's usually what Schlage has in it. And I just noticed here in all this preparation, I don't have a follower, so let me run over to my other desk real quick. Alright, there's a follower. And we're ready to gut this bad boy here. This is the really old style Schlage here. Go and get this off. If you ever rekey one of these in real life here, you want to be careful with this plastic part. You don't break it like I just did. That's right on key there. Oh no, I didn't break it. Never mind. Oh wait, yeah I did. Doesn't matter. This lock's just a scrap lock. So that off. Definitely want to pay attention to that in the field if you're actually working on one of these old style ones. Get the cap off. There should be a spring in there. If it fell out, it fell out. Go ahead and we'll just quit worrying about that and get to gutting it here. So of course our key pins are going to be all standard. Nothing really to see here. The business end of these things is going to be upstairs on the top here. So there's our key pins. And get my tweezers. And we probably have 4 spools here. Normally, Schlage does normally have 4 spools. I really wonder if that spring came out or not. I guess it really doesn't make any difference. I got more of them, but anyway, get to gutting here. So number 1, yep, there's a spool pin. Number 2 is also a spool pin. Number 3 is a spool pin. Number 4 is a spool pin as well, and then 5 will be a standard pin normally. And it is, we got our 4 spool pins and then our standard pin. And it's kind of cool, we're able to rake that to a false set and then only have to pick one spool here to actually get it open. So let me just zoom in and just take a look at these pins. Oops, man, these locks are old and grimy here. Probably should have maybe lubricated this one before I started, but such is life here. But anyway, there's our spool pins and our one standard right here in position number 5. And so I'm going to go ahead and get this video edited and posted, and then I'll search up some more springs and all that and get this bad boy put back together. And I got a couple of more locks that I'm gonna pick here. I just want to put these picks through their paces. So stay tuned for more multi-lock videos, and if you're into the leashy stuff, don't worry, I've got plenty more of those coming as well. So till next time, we will talk to everybody later.